Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Grace Kennedy said it has cut 70 jobs from the entity as it continues the process of repositioning itself for the future. The company said the change should help it to optimize its group structure and improve its finances as it prepares to celebrate its centennial in 2022. Grace Kennedy argued that even though some persons lost their jobs, others were redeployed across the company. Prime Minister Andrew Holness is demanding that municipal corporations do more to speed up the process of granting building permits. He was speaking this morning at the inaugural Local Governance Conference in Montego Bay.
I believe starting a business, we're doing very well. We are ranked number 5. Dealing with construction permits, 98. We are not practicing the kind of local government that signals responsiveness as it relates to permitting and approvals.
Mr. Holness argued that municipal corporations are still using outdated processes to conduct business. This despite the fact that the government spent millions on the Applications Management and Data Automation Amanda project to improve the development approvals
I'm certain
process.
That there are some processes that don't need to exist anymore, and we will be just eliminating those off the list. We have put in place the Amanda system. We have put the computers to support it. The internet is there to support it. I am hoping that you have been training your staff to use it, but I gather that the take-up and usage of it is not where it is supposed to be or could be.
Crude prices settled lower today. Oil for delivery in August fell 90 cents to settle at $67.16 a barrel. Now, currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $131.95. The Canadian dollar closed at $101.35. The pound is going for $175.91, while the euro is being sold for $151.49 on average. The JSE index lost 788 points today. The junior market index also lost by 6 points. Stocks posting gains include Cargo Handlers, Everything Fresh, Honeybun, Jamaica Producers, Kingston Wharves, Lasco Distributors, Mayberry Investments, NCB Financial Group, and Sagicor Real Estate X Fund. On the losing side were Access Financial Services, Barita Investments, C2W Music, Elite Diagnostic, Fosrich, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Broilers, KLE Group, Lasco Financial Services, and Panjam Investments. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.